Pollo Asado chicken wings. And that's how it is cooking on a live fire, y'all. Yes, buddy. And you know I love me some chicken wings. First thing we're gonna do, I was gonna cook these whole, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and split them up party wing style. You know, like you got them in the restaurant, that's how they gonna serve them. Get you some chicken shears, do it just like that. Bam. I like to buy them like this because it's always gonna be a bigger wing when you get it like this. And it costs less. So I'm gonna get the rest of these cut up, then I'm gonna wash them, put some marinade together. Rinse them things. Let's get our citrus. I got 3 oranges, 4 limes, can of pineapple juice. And you know what? We're gonna let some electronics work for us today. I usually like to squeeze the limes and oranges, but I'm gonna let that little machine work for me today. I'll let y'all check it out. Let's see how this thing works. All right, put that on there. And Miss Shawana, what do I do next?
Push this button.
Oh, push that button. Oh, Lord. Oh, wait. Almost had an accident. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's fresh squeezed orange juice. I don't know if they use that for some marinade or drink it. Sure. Let me finish up the rest of these then.
See how
Oh,
that goes?
wow. Hey, babe, what is this machine called?
It is,
Powered juicer.
there you go.
See, just letting the lime juice, it's just building up, so we just release it all at one time. Ooh, and we got our pineapple juice. You know what, baby? This is gonna have to be my, non-alcoholic cocktail in the summer.
Oh, yeah.
So all that into the food processor there. And wait. We're gonna make it a little sweet now. Ooh. That's about a tablespoon of honey. So I got my dry seasons here. So inside of here, so I got the seasons laid out. I got 2 tablespoons of adobo seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of the onion powder, and that's it. And it goes inside. We need a little olive oil. Yeah. What? Maybe that's about a tablespoon of that. And there. Yeah, I think this gonna be a hit.
That smells good.
And that was 5 garlic cloves that we had in there. I'm sorry I didn't mention that, but we saw it on camera. Overnight, we're getting up in the morning, get outside, and you know what? I got my big old piece of hickory wood laid out already. I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready. I'll see y'all in the morning. Let's get loaded up. I got a little bit of B&B charcoal left. So go ahead and use that up. I got a nice piece of hickory wood here. Let's go slide this down right in the middle. Get my tumbleweed right here. Ooh, good as that. All right, look like our chicken wings gonna be ready to go on. We got it up to 300, so we probably gonna be rocking between 300 and 350. So let's get these wings on here. It's a wing party, baby. It's a wing party. The marinade smell good, boy. So you go on either side first, you know? You can go on the back side, the front side. So we're just gonna let it roll like this. I'm gonna let it roll for about just let it cook. Let it go for about an hour on this side and then go ahead and flip it. Oh shoot. Yo, how did I
Got a wing.
man?
Got some room for it.
Yep. Now I see you back in the house. Look how it's looking already just on this side. So yeah, see we still got a ways to go. We're gonna say 150 degrees on these wings. That's how we looking 1 hour in, y'all. There's some beautiful color there. Ooh, don't tear it up. Oh, it ain't that hot. I could go by hand. It's a beautiful looking flat. Pollo Asado chicken wings. See, I'm just gonna use my spidey senses. I say these over here probably no longer than 20 minutes. These over here probably a good 30. So we'll just keep checking. All right, y'all. Spent 15 minutes in, and I'm gonna take y'all to school, the art school. This is an exquisite piece. Yes, it's from Darryl King.
It's your Darryl King collection.
Yes, the Darryl King collection. The tropical collection. It's the Pollo Asado.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Doing temperature check. We just try to stay on top of it, y'all. We just staying on top of it. And that's how it is cooking on a live fire, y'all. Yes, buddy. All right, that 15 minutes is up. So I want to take these ones on the end off. Still got some time to go. That flat can come off. That can come off. So look like the flats. We just gonna take the flats off on this side. So yeah, these can go a little longer. Leave that on there. Take that one off. See y'all, that's why you gotta have your thermometer. Alright, so I'm gonna get at a few, and next time y'all gonna see me, I'm gonna be inside eating. How about that? Alright, baby, so set your timer for about 20 minutes. Mmm, that flavor. We got a drum. We got a flat. Ooh.
Good, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. Boy. Boy. Now let's take a bite of flat. Mm-mm.
That's good.
Boy, they start doing these at the restaurants. It's gonna be over. Everybody gonna be like, let me get those Pollo Asado wings. Oh man. It's probably some of the best wings I ain't done, man.
Yeah. I'm good.
Look, I'm double handed. And you know what? They both equally tender. The flat is almost always more tender than the drum. It's neck and neck. No cap, as the kids say. Y'all saw what I did. It was an hour and a half total, kept on checking. once we start getting to the last half an hour, just keep on checking. Get yourself a thermometer. Me and the camera lady about to get ready to eat.
Yeah.
Catch y'all on next.